Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore hi-hats and how they relate to the music we make. A hi-hat refers to a pair of cymbals mounted on a stand, which is played with a foot pedal or with drumsticks. The hi-hat is a core component of the drum kit and is used in a variety of musical styles. The hi-hat consists of two cymbals, one on the top and one on the bottom. The top cymbal is genuinely lighter and thinner, while the bottom cymbal is heavier and thicker. These cymbals are mounted on a stand with a pedal mechanism. When the pedal is pressed, the cymbals come together and produce a crisp sound. And when the pedal is released, the cymbals separate and produce a more sustained or washy sound. In genres like rock and pop, the hi-hat cymbal plays a crucial role in maintaining the rhythm and feel of a song. Drummers will often play continuous 8th or 16th notes to provide that steady rhythm needed to drive the song. The hi-hat is more than just a timekeeper in music. By hitting the cymbal a little harder, you can accent specific beats. The hi-hat can also bring dynamic contrast to a piece. By varying the intensity of playing the hi-hat, you can create changes in volume and texture, making the music more expressive and captivating. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.